that come with using it. So wouldn't it be great if Mother Nature had developed something herself? Well, she has, and it's called Bakuchiol. Now, this is from Whish, and it is their repairing eye cream. So think about the things that you might use to address fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness, droopiness around your eye. This is a targeted formula that you can use for all of those, and you can use it all around the eye. So not just under the eye, but the eyelid as well, which we love. If you purchase this separately, because you are getting a duo, you're getting 2 full size, they would be $128. You're taking them home for $60. So it's incredible. I mean, it's like you're basically, I mean, it's even better than a buy one, get one. This is exclusive to QVC. You will not find it anywhere else. A6 81 228, and it is new. So Amy, tell us a little bit about the repairing eye cream and how it works.
Another area where we need to have a specific formula for that area. The eye area is very delicate. There's a lot of cross-hatching type of skin. So there's a lot going on. And sometimes that is the first area that we show signs of aging. So, and it's not just fine lines and wrinkles, but you also get the dark circles and the puffiness. So we wanted to create something that dealt with all 3 of those all at once. That's going to help with fine lines and wrinkles, and we're doing that with Bakuchiol. And you can see in this before and after,
wow,
you can see this tremendous, you know, deep set wrinkles. And then literally after 4 weeks, which really the 4-week mark is incredible to me, because typically a skincare item usually takes about 8 weeks to see real results. Ours is 4, and you can see that just completely diminished and smoother. Those lines are really not even visible anymore, those deep lines. So not only the fine lines and wrinkles, but we're also dealing with the texture. We're dealing with the puffiness and the dark circles. But these crow's feet, you can see very deep, very pronounced, and after 4 weeks, smoother, brighter skin, and not just around not just the crow's feet. You can see just the lines are on the top of the cheek, and even up on the brow and the lid. So it really is something that is incredible when you look at these results after using for 4 weeks. You're getting 2 of these, so you get a duo, so you get an extra supply. This before and after as well, you can see those deep lines that start on the orbital bone of the lid and go all the way down. And then after 4 weeks, smoother, brighter skin. And it really is what we're wanting in this type of product. Like I said, this is one of the first areas we show the signs of aging. And you want that smoother texture. And a lot of times, you know, eye products can be irritating. So I love that this is a clean product.
Mm-hmm.
You can use this all the way to your lash line. And I do. All
really?
the way to the lash line. Yes, which you would never do that with retinol, but you can do that with Bakuchiol. So you can put it all the way to the lash line, all the way around your orbital bone. And then I love using it on my lids at night as well. I actually use this twice a day. You don't need to. You could use it once a day. But I do day and night.
Mm-hmm.
So this is kind of my last application that I do. I put my super cream on. I do my neck cream in the morning, and then this on my eyes, and that's really it. And then at night, I pretty much use our super cream and then this around the eye.
Mm-hmm.
So very easy to use. And again, it's going to help with those dark circles and that puffiness. I get a lot of puffiness. That's one thing that I notice, like right when I wake up, I'm always puffy, and it depuffs your eyes so quickly, which I love. And then it does help reduce those dark circles as well, which is amazing.
I mean, Amy and I were chatting on the phone earlier, and what I love about this, and I think what so many of you are going to love at home, is this is a one and done. You know, if you're using, I mean, maybe you've got a great eye cream for under your eyes, but you can't use it on your orbital bone, and you're noticing you're starting to get crepiness or hooding here, or maybe you're using the patches because you've got dark circles and puffiness. This really is a targeted treatment for all of those issues that you may have around your eyes, and you're getting a set of 2. So if you purchase these separately, they'd be $128. Hang on, let me spin that around. But you're actually getting 2 full size for that price, QVC price of $60. A681228 is your item number. It is exclusive. You will not find this anywhere else at this price. This is the buying power of QVC. So give us a call to order, 800-500-7590. Maybe, you know, you're smiling less, or you see photos of yourself and you don't feel like your best self because all you can see are the smile lines, the crow's feet, whatever you want to call them, and you've been looking for a solution. Those incredible before and afters were after 4 weeks. Think about yourself a month from now, heading into the middle of March, just before St. Patrick's Day, and you are looking at 4 weeks of using this. And imagine that it's you know, those before and afters we saw where deep lines had just been transformed with an incredible set of ingredients. So Amy, let's talk about the texture of this, because it's kind of unusual. It's almost like tacky is the way that I would describe it.
It does appear that way, but it's because it has it's a gel cream. So it's going to go on, that's what's going to let it absorb into the skin. That gel cream texture is going to really help with those dark circles and that puffiness under the eye, but it goes into the skin beautifully. This is, I love to demonstrate again, how little you need to use of this. 1 pump is probably too much for the eye area. I almost do like a half a pump. And then I just use my ring fingers, just like Jody's doing here, to pat it all the way around the eye, up into the lash line, on your lid. And so it does have, because it's a mixture between a gel, almost like it's like between a serum and a cream, you're getting that kind of bounce. It has a lot of bounce to it. That's what I like to say.
Yes, that's a lot of bounce way to describe it.
But it does completely absorb in beautifully. It leaves a beautiful finish on the skin. Never pills. None of our products ever pill. That's something that I am so picky about. I would never want to put on makeup over my eye cream and have it pill. That would make me crazy. So it never pills. It goes on beautifully. Your skin absorbs it in. And again, it has it's almost like a serum and a cream mix, because the serum part will help reduce that puffiness and also help with those dark circles. And then you want that cream texture to help kind of absorb into the skin. And that is what then the Bakuchiol can go to work with the fine lines and wrinkles around the eye.
Okay, if you just tuned in, take a look at these before and afters. You know, think about your own eyes, your own eye area. You know, think of a scale of 1 to 10, of like, you know, 10 being, I don't know, 1 being I'm not happy, 10 being yes, I'm really happy, or maybe the other way around. But ultimately, just think about how you feel about your own eyes, and imagine if this was you after 4 weeks. I mean, these before and afters. I mean, it's a literal transformation. That's the only way I can describe it, Amy. I mean,
yes,
this one.
It's incredible. It's incredible. I think we might have had this one the other way around before, but you can see those deep wrinkles that are on the crow's feet. And after 4 weeks, it's smoother, it's softer. And you can see those deep wrinkles are dissipating. They're smoothing out. The skin is also brighter, which I love. And that's that Bakuchiol in there. It's going to help brighten the skin, even out that skin tone while it's treating the fine lines and wrinkles. So the skin just looks healthier. And that's really, like, that's my goal. I just want my skin to look healthy and to have that glow. It's not about looking younger. It's about having that healthy skin. This is another before and after I love. You can see on the forehead, as it's coming down the brow, deep crevice wrinkles. And even you can see the crow's feet. All of that is smoothing out just after 4 weeks, dissipating. You see fewer deep crevices and fewer lines and wrinkles, and then just that overall smoother texture.
Yes, I mean, this is what I think it's amazing, because we just don't really treat the skin in this way. And I mean, we use the word treat a lot, but it literally is like a treat for your skin, because it's talking your skin's language, your skin understands it. And remember, this is treating all of the things. So your dark circles, your puffiness, and your fine lines. And we saw some not so fine lines there too, that had, you know, literally just been erased.
Lines, all your lines, it doesn't matter which one.
After 4 weeks. Your easy pay on that is $15. Remember, there's always that 30 days to be able to try it. If it's not right, you can return it, but do not miss out on this at this price. $60 for 2, and look at the size of them as well. A681-228, that is your item number. Give us a call to order here at QVC2, 800-500-7590.